Now, if you're in the Amazon Influencer Program or the Associates Program, you have two separate store IDs, and it can be very confusing knowing which ID is linked to what account. How do you actually find it? How do you navigate between the two? So in this video, I'm going to explain the difference between the two, everything you need to know, but also the easiest way to navigate in between both of them so that you can see your commissions for off and on Amazon. So I'm going to explain in the easiest way I can the difference between these two storefront IDs. And it's actually better to think about it like this. What's the difference between the two programs? Well, the influencer program is sharing and referring products on Amazon, and the associates program is essentially sharing and referring products off Amazon. And so it's essentially a way to track your earnings on and off Amazon, two separate locations. That is really the difference between these two store IDs. And that's why you have two separate ones. So with your associates ID, it typically looks like this: your first and last name -20. At least that's what mine is. It's Mark Mckellar -20. And that will show you your earnings and commissions for sharing product affiliate links off Amazon through Amazon bounties, and also the Creator Connections campaign, which is typically in the influencer program. And you're probably wondering, like, why is it showing my earnings from Creator Connections? Well, if you think about it, Creator Connections, yes, it is brands that are creating these campaigns on Amazon, but when you opt into a campaign, you share an affiliate link from either a blog or a website, or it's usually off Amazon that you're opting into this campaign with. Now, you can opt into Creator Connections and the influencer program just using your product review videos on your storefront, but I will link a video above where I explain everything you need to know about the Creator Connections program. Overall, that's why you see your Creator Connections earnings under your associate store ID. It's because it's identifying it as earnings off Amazon, even though you're opting into these campaigns with your product review videos that may be on Amazon. Hope that makes sense. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. Last thing I'll say about this: that is why if you ever see SiteStripe at the top of your Amazon page and it shows the brand has opted into a campaign in Creator Connections, and if you click on that link, it will prompt you to the Creator Connections campaign, which is under your associates store ID. Does that make sense? Okay. So if you're clicking on a Creator Connections URL on SiteStripe and you're inside your influencer account, it will go to like this broken page. And all you have to do is just go to the top right and click the store ID and switch it over to your associate's ID. I hope that makes sense, but that's just another quick snippet. Explain your Amazon influencer store ID, which usually looks like this: ONAMZ, and then your first or last name or whatever you put. For mine, it is ONAMZ Mark Mckellar, something like that, -20. Why is it ONAMZ? Well, it's essentially saying on Amazon earnings, okay? Those are your commissions that you've earned on Amazon through the influencer program, okay? So if you want to see, well, how can I see my earnings from the influencer program? You need to make sure that your store ID shows that, okay? And then you are seeing the correct earnings. You can also see other reports and access your account settings on here, but that is your Amazon influencer ID. Now the last part: how do you navigate in between the two store IDs? The easiest way to do this, at least from your Amazon influencer store, or at least in Creator Hub, is just click See Reporting, and you'll see your reporting your commissions from your influencer account, and then click the top right button and then go down to Store ID and then just click your Associates ID and switch accounts, and it'll go to your Associates earnings. You'll be able to see your earnings from Creator Connections, from bounties, whatever, okay? That's the easiest way to switch in between those two campaigns, okay? I hope that makes sense, okay? I know it can be kind of confusing, but I just want to clarify that because I see a lot of questions about that. But hope this video has been helpful for you. If so, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.